Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll explore how Aurora Health Care uses an interactive health assessment quiz to identify patient risk factors and show you exactly how to build a similar experience using Outgrow. Rather than directing users straight into a health program, Aurora Health Care leads with a conversational quiz, a smarter way to engage patients from the very first touchpoint. Their library covers a wide range of health topics, including acid reflux, back and neck pain, breast health, colorectal health, diabetes, and many more. For this walkthrough, we'll take the diabetes risk assessment as our example. The quiz begins by collecting foundational data: age, sex, height, weight, and email address. It then goes deeper, asking about ethnicity, smoking habits, weekly physical activity, and whether the user has a primary care physician. Each question serves a clear purpose: personalizing the user experience, collecting valuable zero-party data, and generating results that are genuinely relevant to each individual. The good news: you can build an identical experience using Outgrow, and it starts in seconds. Open Outgrow's AI Assistant and describe what you want to create. For example, create a healthcare assessment quiz that detects underactive thyroid symptoms. Outgrow's AI instantly generates a complete quiz framework, including questions, answer options, and recommended outcome structures. Think of it as a strong strategic foundation that you refine with your own domain expertise. If you'd like to make adjustments, simply describe your changes conversationally. The AI will update the quiz accordingly. Once you're satisfied, type "Save it" to lock in your framework and move forward. You'll then be presented with two options: preview the quiz experience directly, or open it in Outgrow's full builder for advanced customization. For this demo, we'll head into the builder. This is where your quiz transforms from a template into a tailored brand experience. Start with the welcome page. Update the visuals with high-resolution imagery that reflects your brand identity. Editing any question or answer option is equally intuitive. Simply click the element you want to change and update it in place. Next, design your outcome pages thoughtfully. For a thyroid assessment, this might mean 3 distinct outcomes: high risk, moderate risk, and low risk of hypothyroidism. Within each outcome, you can include relevant content, symptoms, risk factors, guidance on getting diagnosed, available treatment options, and recommended next steps. The goal is to make every result feel genuinely useful, not generic. Now for the intelligence layer: outcome mapping. This is where you define which combination of answers routes a user to which result. Configured correctly, this ensures every participant receives a personalized, data-driven recommendation, not a one-size-fits-all response. Head to the Design tab for the finishing touches. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, select custom typography, and adjust layouts as needed. The objective is simple: your quiz should feel like a seamless, native part of your digital presence, not a third-party embed. Before publishing, use the preview mode to walk through the full quiz end-to-end. Test every question, verify each outcome, and confirm the experience feels polished and intentional. Once you're confident, hit Go Live. Outgrow gives you flexible distribution options: standalone URL, share directly via email, social media, or paid campaigns; website embed, integrate via iframe, full-page embed, or a chat-style widget. In just a few steps, you've built the kind of interactive, personalized quiz experience that leading brands like Aurora Health Care rely on to engage users, capture intent data, and drive meaningful results. Ready to build yours? Start your free trial at outgrow.co, no credit card required.